this video, I'm going to show you how to access and navigate the TikTok Seller Center orders page. Now you can see right here, this is the Seller Center. To access Seller Center is you just want to type in TikTok Seller Center, put on Google, and then you'll see seller.tiktok.com. You can log in or sign up as an individual. You're going to go to your orders, and then you're going to see all of your orders here. This is your orders page. Now, it's automatically set up that when you have an order come in, you're going to automatically pay TikTok the shipping fee. That's up to you. Now you can change that, and let's say you have a third-party service, right? Or you like to buy directly from USPS's website, then you need to change that. So you want to make sure that your orders page, you understand it, nothing shipping. Check out all to see all of your orders, anything canceled, any USPS orders. You're going to want to really look at all to see everything. And of course, canceled, pending, completed, shipped, to shipped. And you really want to ship everything out on time. Now, when you first start on TikTok, you only can have a certain number of orders per day. So that way TikTok knows you're not scamming people. Right now, you can only have, it looks like 10 orders per day right now. And then you want to check out all of the other tabs. So different shipping labels, if you need to create a shipping label, so create manifest. And then you can kind of see the manifests right here. Your print history, manage manifests, create labels. And again, we don't have any orders to create labels. Upload order tracking info right here. Fulfillment settings, which are also attached to the orders page. And this is, again, something extremely important you want to set up. You want to make sure your warehouse is set up properly, your order handling capacity, automated order combination, right? Group together orders placed from live and provide. I turn that off. Default action. I like to print labels after purchase. Document format, package settings, add package available for TikTok shipping orders, order handling. How long is it going to take you to ship out? Automatically create a manifest. Cancellations. Do you want to auto-approve cancellations? What's the cancellation window? Allow customers to request cancellation within 1 hour of placing an order. I think that's pretty fair. Returns and refunds. Do you want to have any returnless refunds? Auto-approve refunds. Do you want a replacement service? Partial refund. Return window. What does that look like? And replacement settings. So allow customers to replace purchased items. I deactivated that. Exchange service. Allow customers to exchange purchased items. And I'm going to deactivate that as well. So make sure all of these are up to your preferences, because you don't want to find out you get a big order. Let's say you're selling Pokemon cards and they open them, they return them and get another pack for free, right? I've heard that happening. So you just want to go through all of your settings in the orders and just make sure that everything is there. Now, there's going to be a lot of different pop-ups that are going to happen when you are on these pages. And I just recommend that you just look at them, but try to stay focused, because there's a lot of pop-ups, because TikTok loves pop-ups. So just try to stay focused and learn every single thing that TikTok offers, and all the promotions you can figure out later, right? You just want to understand the platform, how the orders works, and even do a test order. So to do a test order, you do not buy your own product. You want to have a friend that doesn't live with you find your product on TikTok and then purchase it. Okay, if you order your own product, you will get suspended. So I'm kind of just giving you the breakdown on how everything works. But yeah, that's a little bit of the TikTok manage orders. Test it out, see how it works. And I do recommend to have a friend buy your product, and you can see how the shipping works, how everything works, and if you need to change it as well. That's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing, because we're going to be making a lot more TikTok videos in the near future. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.